Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a heartfelt gift idea that celebrates family bonds like no other. Whether it's for Mother's Day, Father's Day, or just to cherish Grandma and Grandpa, the POSH 3 Generations engraved wood picture frame is a standout choice. A beautifully crafted natural wood frame, elegantly engraved with the words, 3 generations, 1 family, many hearts. It's not just a frame. It's a testament to love and lineage. This frame isn't just about aesthetics, it's about quality. Made from top-quality solid wood, each piece is meticulously carved, not printed, ensuring durability and a rustic charm that fits any decor. At 7 1x2 by 9 1x2, it perfectly holds a 5x7 horizontal photo. Whether displayed on a tabletop with its back stand easel or mounted on a wall with its hanging clips, it offers flexibility in how you showcase your cherished memories. Crafted by artisans in California, each frame features curved beveled edges and includes a glass front to protect your photo. It's more than just a frame, it's a piece of art designed to last. Whether you're shopping for a special occasion or simply want to celebrate your family's journey together, the POSH 3 Generations engraved wood picture frame is a meaningful choice. It's not just a gift, it's a symbol of love and connection that will be cherished for years to come. Thank you for watching today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product insights and recommendations. Until next time, happy gifting!